Just a little further. Yeah, that's it. Fight back. Off. And it's stopping. Another line over there. Oh, look, you got it.
Oh, yeah.
Look.
No, don't come out.
Don't come out.
No.
No, that was a bad move.
Yes, because they know he's struggling to stand up. They're not going to give. They're not going to give it up. Where are the other elephants? For God's sake.
He's got some stamina. Look at that. Why does he keep coming back? I don't know. He's not smart.